Okay, so now we're on to the next topic, which is the S, or the search. So S stands for search. So this is used for searching a particular string, okay, from the string or a character from memory block. Okay, so let's try this given example. So let's enter a value at memory location 100 with data copy. Okay, then let's search the content of memory location 100 to 105 with the given character. Okay, so it's not there because this is a capital letter. So in this case, so capital letter is not available there. So this time, let's try 100 to 105 with small letter character. So as you can see, it shows you the location. So these are the location wherein you will find the C. So 100 and 100, 101, 102, 103, and 104. Okay, so you may also change the you may also search for a string. So say search at memory location 100 to 105 the string copy or cup. Okay, so as you can see, it shows you at memory location 100. So 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. So from here to here, it doesn't, so that's why this P is not included. But if we will search from 100 to, what's the size of this? 1, 2, 3, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 107, and we search for cop. Okay, it shows you two output. So that is 100 and at 104. Okay. Now, so I have a question. Okay, so if I write S 100 PY, will it have a answer? So will it produce an output? Yes or no? Okay. Now, so for the next question, so to answer that, so let's see. So search 100, the content is PY. Okay, so it still produced an output. Okay, so the question there is why. So question will be why still so why does it still give an output? Okay, okay, so for your exercise, enter a string in location 250 with okay, so the good life is one inspired by love and guided by knowledge. And I would like you to count the number of E occurrences. Also, count the it doesn't show, wait.